All right, today we're going to be talking about windshield wipers. Pretty straightforward, but there are a few things to know. If you need new wipers, you got a 25-inch blade, wiper blade, and a 13-inch blade, so they're two different sizes. So if you're grabbing new wiper blades, those are the sizes. Another thing is the sun. We're here in Colorado, so the sun wears these out faster than using them. It's going to dry the rubber out on the blade and make them not work so well. So let's go in. This is a super easy thing to do. This tab right here depresses. You can push that down and that'll make it slide out. So as you're doing this, pushing this little button, it may be good to use like a Phillips head screwdriver to kind of push down. It does take quite a bit of pressure to pop it out of there, and then to pull it out. Also, as you're pulling, you have to, there's a little latch down here. You have to kind of tilt down. So if you're pulling straight out, it won't come out. You have to tilt this up and then pull out. So they make these blades with this piece is you can swap it out, this kind of top piece. So make sure you put the right piece in there. Sometimes they come with like 3 or 4 different slots, but pretty much that's it. You pull it out, put the right connector piece on, and then we'll slide it back in. And remember, it's kind of this funny angle where it's going, and then it kind of has a hard time, and pop, there it goes. And it's the same mechanism, but 2 different sizes. We got that 25 and then that 13-inch blade there. I'll put part numbers in the description, but that's how you replace the wiper blade. Super easy. Anybody, should be able to do it. But that's it. If you found this helpful, please subscribe.